So let's decide that it's time to go out and spray some fall wheat. You need to go out and scout it. What's the best way to do that? If you're going to make a full field application, I would recommend doing a scouting work order on it. It uses the whole field builder, carries history to the year end, and it also allows you to build off your template. So you go from a template to a scouting report to a work order. And every time that you go from another step, you add less stuff to the work order. So like when you do a template, you've got your farmer, your field, your crop. When you go do a scouting work order, then you've got your farmer, your field, your crop, your weeds, your notes, and you can move on from there. So I'll show you how to do that. You don't have to have a template in to do it, but it definitely speeds things up. I'm just going to change customer name here, Walker. So let's use this one. Hybrid winner. Select it up. So let's say I'm going to scout these fields here, but I'm not going to go down here. I can just go over here and knock that one off. So that gives me a work order, a scouting work order for all these fields. Even though there's multiple polygons on this field and this field, I've got them all. I don't have to add anything to it. I'll add in some pests here. Okay, so I've recorded my pests, recorded that. Now we've got a full looking work order. For a product, since we have to have a product in history, we're going to use scouting. This is an uninventoried product that we just put in here for this purpose, so it won't strip anybody's inventory and it won't roll over the billing. You just put it on there, put on a rate of 1, create the order. Okay, like there, I could pull it back up. So let's say that I wanted to put comments in here or something, or splits. And you could go in and go that will carry right through the year-end report. So whatever you put in this box is going to be details of the scouting work order. You might want to put size of weeds or any type of information you could use. Since I made that change, I'm just going to hit save edits. Okay. Now to push that scouting work order through, I'm just going to put a check in the done box. I'm going to check the machine again. Okay. Throw in 280.9 acres, whatever the schedule is. Update it. Make sure that your name's in the old box here. And what date you did it. You can actually move it forward or backward if you have to. Once you mark that order is done, that will go all the way to the year-end report